I'm Eric Schurenberg, Editor-in-Chief.
And I'm Jack Otter, Executive Editor.
In today's reality check, the market has hit several milestones. What's next? All right, Jack, we had a big rally yesterday. Dow up 203 points, is up over 10,000 again. Gold over 1,100 an ounce, a record for that too. What's up?
What else do you need for a top? Gold rallying, the market having this great big run. It's kind of like the last people throwing their money in. As Jeremy Grantham likes to say, a bear market likes to break the maximum number of hearts with suckers rallies. It does feel to me, after a 4,000 point run on the Dow, that it's time for a pullback.
All right. Well, I wouldn't argue with that a pullback after the kind of run we had is not unusual. But longer term, what do you think?
Well, as we always say, you shouldn't predict what the market's going to do, and if we should predict that our viewers probably shouldn't listen to us.
It's true.
But sometimes we're forced to, as I am right now, so I'm going to take the bearish side and say that the good news we've seen in the economy, in the markets, is a sugar high. It's the result of all this stimulus money and also people predicting more stimulus money that we could go down a significant amount and really sort of wash some of these recent buyers out of the market.
Okay, well, just to prove that there are always two sides to the market, maybe this year is 1983. In that rally, which is one of the greatest rallies in stock market history, there was a lot of skepticism when it came out. It was coming off the terrible decade of the 1970s and the horrible recessions of 1981 and 1982, and yet the rally climbed, as the market likes to say, a wall of worry. People, until all the pessimists are converted, the rally doesn't end, and there are a lot of pessimists out there.
So when Business Week says the death of equities, then we know to really buy.
That's right, the 1982 signal that the rally was about to begin. We haven't seen that quite yet, although we have had Nouriel Roubini predict another financial crash. As I said, there's no shortage of pessimists out there.
Yeah, absolutely, and that is a sign that things could keep on going up for a while.
The economy. GDP has grown 3.5% in the third quarter. That's a 9.9 percentage point reversal from just 6 months ago. So maybe the stock market isn't so far ahead of economic fundamentals after all.
That's true. I think the question is, was that growth simply the result of the government pumping money in, or was it, as they say, organic? Can we really go up from here? After a recession as deep as the one we've just seen, you'd expect to see a pretty sharp reversal in GDP numbers, really perhaps even higher, into 5–6%. So that's what we can certainly hope for. I can't be optimistic we're going to see it.
Well, I guess we'll just have to agree to disagree on this. And we'll see in 6 months what kind of economy and what kind of stock market we have. That's your reality check.